how to set your power and sleep mode in Windows 10. So from the desktop, just go ahead and give it a right click, and then from the submenu, select Display Settings. Okay, then over on the left hand side, select the Power and Sleep tab. And then from here, you're going to be given two options. If you're using a tablet or laptop, you may get some other options that say when plugged in, then also when not plugged in, kind of both for the screen or both for sleep. Kind of depends on what device you're using, but for myself, I'm using a regular PC that has to be plugged in to be used, so it's always going to say when plugged in, as you can see here. So for my screen, when plugged in, turn off after, and then you can set this to whatever you want a preference to. So for myself, I'm going to leave it at never, and then same with sleep. When plugged in, PC goes to sleep after, and I'm going to leave that at never as well. So basically, if I walk away from my computer and it's unlocked, anybody can get access to it if I'm not there. Kind of something like that. Pretty big security risk, but I don't think anybody's going to be able to get to my computer. So anyways, that is how you set your power and sleep settings within Windows 10.